Math is not something that people enjoy. It's just one of those subjects that's really hard to relate to. In our classroom, we're always trying to find ways to make math very applicable to students. So when they calculate what a cell phone bill would be, they're probably going to use some different expressions, aren't they?
But we're trying to figure out like what it is per text and
you got one person. Using Math Techbook in our classroom has really been eye-opening to see.
It's incredibly relatable because in a textbook it's like, okay, well this person bought 42 watermelons. Well, who does that?
So today we are going to do investigation number 1. You see them all come in and come to a laptop and instantly log in. We started the lesson before I could begin describing the activity. They had already gotten started. Anybody ever ridden on a free fall ride before? Like Tower of Terror or anything like that?
For the Math Techbook, we got to do the roller coaster problems. Everybody can relate to that.
So minutes then wouldn't be a very precise unit of time for this particular ride, would it? That would be the slowest free fall in history. It was really cool to see that the video content was geared specifically for teenagers.
It definitely made me think that math was probably more interesting than I thought originally.
Just instant engagement is pretty special to see.
The Techbook breaks it down a little more for complicated problems.
It was very well formed, and I liked the outline of colors because it really popped it up so it wasn't very boring.
And it was just really kind of cool. It was very user-friendly and it was very visual.
With the Math Techbook, you're able to use real-time data, seconds old, and be able to shift instruction at a moment's notice when you feel or see that it's needed. I pulled up the student panel and looked and saw that 2 sets of students were way further ahead than the rest of the group. It was really cool to be able to catch that instantaneously and go to those 2 students and say, why don't you try this? This seems like something that might be a challenge for you. With Techbook, you kind of already know that every single piece, every single page that you turn to is going to be something that's relevant, meaningful to the lesson, and something that you're going to want to use.